Hello friends, first of all welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be discussing about numerology 3, or we can say numerology number 3. Okay, so first of all I'll tell you there are like four kind of 3. First, when basic number is 3, basic number is equal to 3. When numerology 3 comes into your month, month is equal to 3. Or when destiny is equal to 3, and the last case is when it becomes double 3 or triple 3, right? These are the four cases. When we talk about numerology 3, we encounter these four cases, right? So prior moving ahead, I'll just request you to please subscribe to my channel and like it, support it by sharing. And one more thing I would like to request is that uh, as I have already told in last two videos wherein we discussed about numerology 1 and numerology 2, I told you that we do have influence of all the numbers in our life. It is never because eventually we'll be getting Mahadasha and Antardasha of each and every number in our life, right? So we need to know about each and every number. It's not like only one. If you are destiny 1, only one will give you effect. No, 9, 8, 7, 6, each and every number, like from number 1 to 9, influence of every number will be there in your life. It may be positive or negative depending upon the combinations it makes with other numbers, right? So although that is a combinations are the part of higher numerology, but today we are discussing about numerology 3. I'll be telling you about these four cases when basic number is 3. Prior discussing about these four cases of numerology 3, we will know about numerology 3. Numerology 3 is ruled by Jupiter, and Jupiter is a planet of expansion. It's a planet of expansion. Regarding male and female, Jupiter is a male planet, right? So first of all, we'll study properties of numerology 1. First thing, it is ruled by Jupiter. Second thing, it is a male planet. Person having number 3, single number 3. As of now, I'm talking about when the number is 3. Forget about basic 3 or whatever 3. It is just a single 3 in your numerology grid. And our numerology grid is something like this. And if you haven't seen this video, so you can please check my playlist or go into the description box. I have posted the link over there, and this is the most basic requirement. I have already told how to fix number in this grid according to your date of birth. And please remember that this is not Chaldean numerology or Pythagorean one, right? You need to know how to fix number in this grid. If you haven't seen that video, please check that video in description box. I have posted the link for that. Okay, as of now we are discussing about single 3. It may come into basic, it may come into month, it may come into destiny. Okay, the first thing about this is they do have a very good moral values. Person having single 3 do have good moral values. Okay, one second. They are knowledge seeker. Knowledge seeker. They have hunger for knowledge. Sometimes it is seen that these persons are spiritual. They do have a good confidence, good management skill. Number 3, although the management skills and confidence are good, but they are not equivalent to one. One is far more ahead than number 3 in case of confidence and management skill, right? Now, their moral values are very high. They are very they sometimes they need they always seek for justice. Since they seek for justice, so if you will speak anything wrong in front of them, they will start debating with you. So sometimes they become very argumentative, right? Now, since these are the few properties of number 3, they are very good teachers as also. Good teachers. They always seek for knowledge. They will try to acquire knowledge of new things, right? So this is all about single 3, when it is present, single 3 is present in your grid. Now what happen when your basic become 3? It's very simple. When your basic become 3, one sec, I'll write basic 3 here. What is your basic number? Means in your day of birth, if 3 is coming or the sum is coming 3, that is basic number, right? So when your basic is 3, you will be more connected to your home, more connected to home. I'll explain this. More connected to birth home, you can say. No, you can say home. To family members. I'll tell you. If he's a boy, he'll be more connected to his mother or his father. Okay. And if in case of females, if basic number is 3, they will be more connected to her mother or father or another family members. But when it becomes destiny 3, when it becomes destiny 3, now you'll able to understand the case. They'll be more attracted toward their spouse and children, right? These people, suppose there is a boy who is already married, having having basic numerology 3, right? So now what will happen is that he will give more preference to his mother father rather than his wife. In case of girl, in case of a lady, in case of female, if a basic number is 3, she will give more preference to her mother or father instead of spouse or children, right? She will be telling each and everything about her uh, place to her mother or father. When destiny become 3, this thing get reversed. Person having destiny 3 will be more attracted towards spouse, children's. Okay. If your destiny, if your month, if number 3 comes in your this sorry month, then it is good. It is like balancing between your married place and your family. They will balance, they will make relations with, but they will have equal relationship. They will know how to maintain the balance between these two places. Now a problem comes when it becomes double 3 or triple 3. See, double 3 or triple, a person having single 3 will face problems for 3 year in life, particularly related to their home and career. Why? I'll try to explain it over here. If you are having single 3 in your grid, suppose single numerology 3 in your this numerology grid, whenever you are encounter a Mahadasha of 3 or Antardasha of 3, at that time, what happens? In both the cases, it will happen. It will not happen by birth, right? There will be some problem at home, problem in career, right? But it should be in Mahadasha or Antardasha. Single 3 is good, but when it becomes multiple, when 3 becomes double 3 or triple 3, it creates a problem for career and for home. At that time, they'll people like sometimes it is seen that more show off is there, although they do have a good knowledge, but show off is more than what they have, right? So this was all about numerology 3. Please let me know in the comment section how was the video, and do consider subscribing. Thank you so much.